There is a reason Benjamin Franklin is on the $100 bill. He said, money makes money, and the money that money makes more money. It's true that, to make more money, you need money in the first place. And that's exactly why it's important to spend your money in the right place once you have it. Because having money isn't just about fast cars, diamond chains and massive mansions. In fact, all of this is just a marketing gimmick to get you to separate yourself from your money so that corporations can get richer. And if you fall into these marketing tricks, then you'll be back to being broke in no time. So once you have money, you need to spend it on the right things. Take your life to the next level so you can stay wealthy. Hello and welcome back to Tides of Wealth, where you're just one sale away from financial success. One of the first things you need to change about yourself: your face. Looking good is important, not only because it changes people's perception of you, but because it makes you feel good. When you feel good, you're more assertive and more confident, thus more likely to be successful. If you've got unwanted hair on your face, get them removed by laser. Trim your beard more often, use proper skincare products, fix your teeth and get surgery if you think your nose is crooked. Your face is how you connect to people daily, and having a nice face will mean that your confidence shoots through the roof. Once that happens, you'll see the ripple effect of it in other aspects of your life as well. According to a report of IZA World of Labour, people with good-looking faces earn up to 15% more than their not-so-good-looking friends. That's because these people are generally more likeable and more likely to get promoted faster. So once you get money, make sure to fix all of the things about yourself that you don't like that much. However, I would recommend going easy on the plastic surgery, because, well, we don't want to be looking like the new Zac Efron now, do we? The next thing you should upgrade is your physical strength. You fixed your face, and that's great for you, but here's the thing, it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. You got the money, so invest in yourself. Get a trainer and pay them up front so you're committed. Let them know you're all in for a transformation. That'll help you stay on track and clear the confusion around working out. You'll be surprised at how much better you'll feel, and people will start to notice the positive changes. Your confidence will soar, and trust me, it's addictive. Now, if the thought of hitting the gym makes you cringe, don't worry, that's normal. But trust me, that feeling won't last. Once you start seeing results, working out will become a natural part of your routine. Your schedule will find the time, just commit to it, and you'll see the benefits piling up. If you're still not convinced about all the benefits of exercising, let's talk about it just a tad bit more, and I'm sure you'll be all set to hit the gym soon. Getting into exercise is a great way to manage your weight. When you get moving, you burn calories, and the more intense the activity, the more calories you burn. You don't need to spend hours in the gym every day though. Any bit of activity is better than none. On top of that, being active does wonders for your health. It boosts good HDL cholesterol and lowers unhealthy triglycerides, keeping your blood flowing smoothly and reducing the risk of heart and cardiovascular diseases. Physical activity also triggers brain chemicals that make you feel happier and less anxious. Plus, it can boost your confidence and self-esteem when you're in the groove of regular exercise. Not only that, but the added oxygen and nutrients to your tissue makes your heart and lungs work more efficiently. When your cardiovascular health improves, you'll have more energy to tackle your daily to-do list. Regular physical activity can also help you fall asleep faster, enjoy better sleep, and reach deeper sleep cycles. The benefits are literally endless, and all this exercise can help you achieve more success than you've ever dreamed of. Next on the list, your teachers. Folks, smart people understand that learning never stops. You just keep finding better teachers. Because when you find a good teacher, you'll realise that they've got some real niche knowledge and deeper insights that can make a big difference. You seek out these experts because they help you get things done more efficiently. Now, I get it. Some of these experts can be pretty pricey. I mean, an executive coach can cost a pretty penny, several $1,000s a month just for a Zoom call and an hour of their wisdom. But if you're getting results, it's all worth it, right? It can help you get control of your life. And not only that, but it can help you make more money in the future by streamlining your business and your processes. These teachers can also help you understand what you should be doing with your wealth so you can protect it and have to never worry about inflation eating your money alive. Oh, and if you want a good teacher, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and check out some of our earlier videos where we talk about how to get rich and, of course, how to stay rich. We also talk about what asset classes you should be investing in, so make sure to check out everything. Another thing you absolutely need to upgrade when you get your money is your schedule. Once you find yourself in a comfortable financial position, your main aim becomes clearing up your schedule. It's like a shift from saying yes to almost everything to saying no to most things. The less you have on your plate, the more room you have to savor the things that truly light you up. That's where creativity often finds its home. Let's be real, it's pretty tough to nurture your creativity and fully enjoy life when you're stuck in a cycle of never-ending tasks. Like Sisyphus pushing that boulder up the hill, day in and day out. The trick here is to delegate as much as you can. Get that calendar cleared and give your mind some breathing room. A crammed schedule and a cluttered mind can be creativity killers. So take this advice to heart. Now that you've got the means, you'll notice that people are buying for your time. It's good to keep your calendar open, but don't hesitate to politely decline coffee dates or meetings with folks who don't bring significant value to your life. When you break it down, here's the real choice you're facing. Do you want to spend an hour having a coffee with a stranger? Or would you rather invest that precious time with your family, your spouse, focusing on self-care, maybe even meditating while enjoying a fantastic audiobook during a peaceful nature walk, or simply relishing a well-deserved bubble bath? Now, the one thing you should absolutely be upgrading is your bed. It's often easy to overlook how important a good night's sleep can be. If you never wake up feeling fully rested, struggle to doze off, or can't quite reach that deep, restorative sleep stage, it might just be because of your bed. Here's the thing, folks who have had their fair share of financial ups and downs often end up splurging on cars and fancy TVs. But the real secret to quality rest lies in where you lay your head. Mattress prices can vary widely, and here's a little tip for you. Whatever budget you have in mind for a mattress, consider tripling it, and you'll be amazed at the options available. Trust me, you won't regret investing in a great mattress. After all, statistically, you spend about a third of your life in bed, so it's a no-brainer. But here's the real game changer. High thread count Egyptian cotton linens. Once you've got the means, treat yourself to a mattress, some quality pillows and linens with a thread count over 500. Your sleep experience will never be the same again. It's actually reached a point where we often feel more refreshed in our own beds than in a fancy luxury hotel. What will you do with all that rest? Well, you'll be more alert and able to live a successful life, owing to your own mental prowess. And while you're at it, don't forget good nutrition as well. Back in the day when you were grinding and trying to make ends meet, you probably went through those ramen years. You know, the times where you had to cut corners and survive on the cheapest eats you could find. Your main goal was just to fill your belly, and you might have added some ketchup or hot sauce to make it somewhat enjoyable. We've all been there. But here's the interesting part. Once the money starts rolling in, your perspective on food shifts. Suddenly, you realise that food isn't just about satisfying hunger, it's fuel for your body. You understand choosing what you can eat can either give you an extra hour of work or enhance your focus during training. Now, we're not going to get all preachy and tell you to only munch on your vegetables, because let's face it, it's not going to work. You're not going to follow our advice. We too, just like you, want a good ribeye steak and the luxury of truffles in our pasta. The real goal here is to level up the quality of what you consume, while being mindful of the quantity. Once you've upgraded all the things we talked about and are getting the proper nutrition, then just see how good you feel and how effective you are at whatever you do. While you're at it, make sure to get better subscriptions too. You've been sticking to just a few subscriptions for years, right? But now, with a bit more cash in your pocket, you've got the power and the options to change that. It's a fantastic feeling to be able to stay up to date on everything you're interested in. But there's more to it. No matter what your hobbies are, there's probably a dedicated community behind a paywall, waiting for you to join. It could be a golf club membership, a gentleman's club, or perhaps you're into fishing and racing fast cars. The key is to become part of a group of people who share the same passion as you. You'll find it surprisingly easy to make new friends there. Not only does that elevate and upgrade your social life, but it also helps you build connections with people, ensuring success. The last thing you should think about upgrading once you have money is your location. Where you choose to live can be one of the most significant decisions you'll ever make. Believe it or not, it can impact who you marry, the friends you have, your hobbies, and even your political and religious beliefs. Here's the deal, in life, the closer you are to opportunities, the more you can make of them. That being said, even if you're in the right place, sometimes a location change can do wonders. Well folks, with that said, let us know in the comments what you would upgrade when you have money. See you next time.